Hey, it's Lisa, and I'm feeling a little tropical today. Today I'm making a pineapple serrano pepper salsa. Now you can put this on chicken or on fish, and I'm gonna put this on a nice grilled piece of halibut. So to keep the flavors really tropical, I'm adding orange juice, fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice, cumin, salt, fresh ground pepper, and we'll whisk that together and add in a little bit of olive oil. Always taste as you go. Make sure the flavoring is right. What I love about this dish, it's really easy to make, and it's gonna test your knife skills because you have to do a lot of chopping. So I'm gonna add in the red onion, green onion, orange zest, serrano pepper for heat, fresh chopped cilantro. Now the star ingredient, the pineapple. Now, fresh pineapple is fantastic, but if you don't have it, you can use canned. Just rinse it off a little bit so you don't get that syrup in there. It'll make it too sweet. I'm gonna add one more ingredient just to give it a little more color and a little more crunch. Red bell pepper. This bright, festive salsa is, like I said, would be great on fish, would be great on chicken, or with tortilla chips, why not? Or you could just eat it by itself. Oh, before I do that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to know more about recipes or what's going on An Appetizing Life, go to anappetizinglife.com. I'm Lisa, and I'm gonna eat some pineapple salsa.